Testing TikTok side hustles so you don't have to, part 7. A ton of kids on TikTok say that you can make thousands of dollars drop shipping, so let's try it. This website called Dropship shows you a ton of cool products you can sell. I'm gonna sell these heart glasses because Valentine's Day is coming up. Then I ordered a pair of the glasses to my house. Then I recorded some simple videos of the glasses like this using my phone. Then I went to Shopify and spent about 20 minutes building an easy website selling the glasses for $16.99 because the supplier I found on the Dropship website can ship them out of the United States for $5 a piece. Then I set up a TikTok ad account which took like 2 minutes. Now I pay TikTok to promote the videos we made and the website we made on the People's For You page. So if people watch our video on TikTok and they hit shop now, they can order the glasses off our website. If someone orders the glasses off our Shopify store, then our supplier ships the glasses straight to the customer's house and we never have to touch the product. Let's see how much money we make. It's been a few days now and I've spent about $1,450 on TikTok ads. A couple of the videos I used worked pretty good and we sold about $4,650 worth of the glasses. So over the last few days, we did about $4,650 in sales. And I spent $1,450 on TikTok ads. I had to pay the supplier $1,370 to ship all the glasses to the customers' houses. So after these last few days, we profited a total of $1,830 off this all. So dropshipping works, but it's not as easy as everyone makes it seem. Comment which side hustle I should test in the next video and follow for more.